This video is brought to you by A Better Plumber. COVID-19 and plumbing, how to hire a plumber during a crisis. Hiring the best plumbing company during a crisis requires careful consideration of safety and health. Learn how to choose the right plumber here. The best plumbing services involve great consideration of your plumbing needs, health, and safety. While several essential workers and companies available today are offering their services for a low price, choosing a licensed company guarantees long-term, quality outcomes. To help you identify the right people for the job, A Better Plumber offers some helpful tips for choosing a plumber during the COVID-19 pandemic. As today's crisis continues to affect several homes and businesses, knowing when and how to hire a plumber is essential when the need arises. Plumbing problems can happen at any time, so knowing how to choose the right company with the best plumbing services during a crisis is necessary to avoid aggravating any present problems you might have. Worldwide emergencies have extensively affected different communities around the globe. While they alone already pose a significant threat to your health and safety, plumbing problems can also add to health and sanitation problems, as well as property damage. Although many industries have updated their habits and protocols, essential workers, like those from the best plumbing companies, are always available to assist you with your plumbing and repair needs to help keep your home and property in shape. These services can never be put on hold as safety is always a priority for consumers and workers. The question now is, are you risking your safety by hiring essential services? By taking the proper measures, there is no need to compromise health and safety. Companies that provide essential services take the necessary safety measures and precautions to put their workers on the front lines. The best plumbing companies are no different. To ensure that your risk of infection doesn't increase while getting the repairs you need, here are some steps you can take when choosing to hire a plumber. Make sure that the plumbing company is taking precautions. Ask your plumbers about what steps they are taking to prevent the spread of infection while conducting their services. Note that the best plumbing company takes cleanliness and safety seriously, especially during a pandemic. Some critical precautions include using hand disinfectant, washing hands thoroughly, and disinfecting the tools before entering your home. They should practice social distancing, specifically staying at least 6 feet away from you and each other. Online reservation forms are also better than signing papers physically. Inquire about the company's policy for ill workers. Only hire a plumber who is in good health. See that ill plumbers are required to stay home, and that testing is conducted for every employee. Check their license and insurance. Hiring a licensed plumber is necessary to achieve the best plumbing services. In today's society, you cannot afford to settle for less than quality service. Unlicensed plumbers may offer cheap services, but the outcomes and possible mistakes that they could make may be more costly than what you had initially paid for. For you to have peace of mind, find a reputable plumber with the necessary expertise and insurance policy to provide the best benefits when availing of their service. A licensed plumber is familiar with and implements the precautions required as part of their policy. They get the job done right the first time. Look into their online reviews. Regardless of whether there is a pandemic or not, it would help if you read all the related online reviews before choosing the best plumbing company for you. Look into their website, review other sites like Yelp and Angie's List, or check online platforms like Facebook and Google. To save you from the worry of being taken advantage of in a crisis, take note of how their clients view them. Study the most recent reviews, and confirm if the clients mention the company's safety precautions. Also, look for a company with a good reputation for transparency, exceptional service, and fair rates. Check if each plumber is following company policies and if customers feel safe during the plumbing process. Enjoy a safe and well-maintained plumbing system at home. Even in times of crisis, getting the repair that your plumbing system needs is not something you should postpone. Otherwise, you're setting yourself up for failure with more costly problems in the future. When choosing the best plumbers in Arvada, Colorado, it's essential to consider a company that takes all the necessary cautions while handling your plumbing needs. We are ready to serve you with utmost caution at A Better Plumber as we implement the best plumbing services. We are committed to guaranteeing your and our employees' safety during any crisis without compromising the quality of our service. Our team delivers top-quality service at a competitive price, with expertise, state-of-the-art equipment, insurance, and the necessary licenses. Plus, we also have an online scheduling system for safe and seamless transactions. To learn more about the services we offer and the safety precautions we are taking, call 720-579-8133 today.